With Russia's SAM system failing to stop Ukraine's aerial objects, they often become the target themselves. Seen with this bug system getting hit by a drone, damaging the electronics and the vehicle, resulting in it getting immobilized. With another bug system close by trying to tow the first system back, Ukraine had sent another drone striking the new system, damaging two bug systems which Russian SAM and electronic warfare failed to stop, showing the holes in capability and the lack of ability to stop Ukraine's drone army, leaving less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.